So we give you guys a little bit of an update of what I did yesterday. I worked on it last night, took the boat out of the garage, and brought the car inside. Today, we're going to take the car, we're going to go to Silver Lake. There's a badass, it's not a muffler shop, it's more like they build side-by-sides and pro runners and shit like that, but they do some badass exhaust work. So I'm going to take it there. I got the Mustang exhaust done there. My dad's Road Runner got done there. And we're going to take this one. So last night, it was me and my wife. We ended up putting the bumper back on the rear. We ended up working on it. So we bought this right here. I installed this last night. It's a regulator. So this hooks up ground wire to the alternator. Then you got your 2 leads for your fields, and then 1 wire to the battery. And it's like 60-70 bucks on Amazon. Great, because it was a pain in the ass getting that alternator to charge. So right now we're gonna, me and Gordo stayed from school this Friday to put new taillights on it. No, the bulbs. We got some LED bulbs. So they're the BP right there, 1157 at Napa. So we're gonna put the brake lights. Hopefully they work. And I got some carburetor plugs that we're gonna put on it, and then take a ride, and then hopefully we don't get pulled over. Woohoo! He's over there drinking his. What are you drinking?
Coffee.
I gave him a small coffee. He was coughing fucking boogers and shit this morning, so a little bit of coffee doesn't hurt nobody. It's not very strong. So we'll get started. I'll hit you guys back up when we open everything. So a little fucking pain in the ass. I'm over there checking all the wire harness. I was like, what? Like I have power, but I don't got power back here, right? That's the tail lights. We got them running, but fuckers don't power on if they don't touch ground. So see. Screwdriver hat. There's no screwdriver. So that's pretty cool to know, because I didn't. So those are the LED lights. So they're supposed to be grounded. So in a little bit, we're gonna be taking off to the muffler shop. Cross your fingers. I'll show you everything you need for a first time ride. We're gonna take off to the muffler shop. So that was an epic fail. The suspension is so shot. There's so much camber on the front tire that the car keeps doing this. We can't keep it on the straight line, and it's shut off. So we got back home. I'm gonna check. I got the whole front suspension system. I just wanted to get it driving, so I'll let you guys know what we find. We're gonna go eat breakfast. So update on the Roadrunner. It is gonna be parked for a little while. I gotta get a different gearbox on it. I can't keep it straight. We were gonna take it to the muffler shop. We did not make it. We broke it down half the way. The car kept pulling to the left. Car kept pulling to the left, kept pulling to the right. I adjusted as much as I could on the gearbox, and it sucked. But we'll see it. You'll see it. We're gonna order a gearbox for it and try to get it on the road so we can drive it all summer long. We also got the C10 out. We got the boat out.